Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. This is your favorite girl Esther here again, talking about all things how to make extra money and also health and also wealth and fitness. So today I'm going to be talking about Fiverr. Fiverr, as I said, is an amazing site in which you as a freelancer can hire out your skills for somebody to use, and you can also get paid for hiring out that skill. So I'm going to be talking about what are the most lucrative side hustles to get into in Fiverr. What are the most lucrative side hustles to get into in Fiverr? And I've talked about how to register with Fiverr in the previous video. So now I'm going to talk about the most lucrative side hustles to get into as a Fiverr freelancer. First one is graphic design. Graphic designers, they can earn up to the first one is website design. Website design, you can earn up to £700, $700 per gig. Website design, $700. And also social media manager, that's another one which you can earn quite a bit of money by helping people do their social media. Social media is so vast and so wide. People in some businesses, they don't have time to do their social media. So you as a social media person can come in, design their posts and handle their Instagram, their Twitter, their TikTok accounts for them, and then you can get paid. Proofreading and editing, people that write books, you need another pair of eyes to read that book. So when you read the book, you're able to proofread the book, improve the English, and also edit it, improve the standard of the English, and also put things in better context. So that's a proofreader and also an editor as well. So that's another gig you can use on Fiverr. The CV writing and resume writing. Some people don't know how to write their CVs, so you can step in there and help people to write their CVs and also their resumes as well. Website building. Yes, this is a huge gig on Fiverr, being a website designer, and this too, if you don't know how to code like that, so you can also help people to build up their websites, set up their websites for them. 3D and 2D modeling as well as another side gig on Fiverr that pays. Business consulting, you can also offer your skills as a consultant. If you have been involved in business, you can set up yourself as a business consultant on Fiverr, and that pays quite well too. Social media advertising, similar to social media management, you can help people and businesses set up their ads and also manage their ads on the social media sites. Facebook ads, Google ads. It's a huge market in itself. It's a huge skill set in itself, and if you know how to do this things, you'll be able to set up yourself as a social media advertising manager. Graphic design, people always need something designed, like logos. People also need things designed like flyers as well. Also things like t-shirts. Most people need those designs all the time, so you can also help people to set up, do that for them as a graphic designer on Fiverr. That pays about 500 per gig. And also presentation, people, some people are looking for people that will present for them. So if you're good at presenting, you can set up yourself as a presenter on Fiverr. You can do testimonials for people on Fiverr as well. And also people have seen on Fiverr that they can set up themselves as an actor on Fiverr to present products, to present services and ads on Fiverr. So this is another gig on Fiverr that pays well to about 400. So these are some side hustles that are high paying on Fiverr. So guys, let me know if there's anything else that you know about Fiverr. Is there any gig you've bought on Fiverr that I haven't mentioned here? Or do you sell on Fiverr? Let me know if you sell on Fiverr, so that if it's any experience you have, let's share with us in the comments below. I'd like to hear from you. So thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you again in my next video. Take care and do have a Fiverr filled day. Bye for now. Bye.